Okay, lawn fans, are you ready? So, this is my second video of the day. I'm enjoying a little Australia. Excuse the shadows out here. It is 6 o'clock in the evening. I just got done verticutting the Zoysia out back. For those of you who don't know, I have Zoysia in the backyard. This is an excellent grass for if you have shaded areas. Will it take full shade? No, it will not. But if you get about 6 hours of sun, this is a great grass, and you're gonna pay for it too, as far as dollars worth. What is verticutting? Let me tip this back for you guys to see. All right, do you see how these blades go? They turn like this, and they cut the grass in the opposite way than if you have a reel mower that goes like this, or a rotary mower that spins around. This will dig down into the ground as far as you would want it to go. It's got like 4 or 5 different settings for depth, and it will pull up all the trash that you have down. It'll slice the grass and thin the grass out. It'll allow better air movement down through. I doubt I can show you an example because I picked up all the stuff it pulled out. Yeah, it's not really showing it. I was going to give you an example. I don't know if you can tell right there in that Zoysia grass. See lines where it's picked it up. Here's some thin areas where you may be able to see right there. Okay, so what that's doing, it's thinning out this grass, it's pulling trash up. Guys, if you have Zoysia grass, you have to do this. You have to. Your grass, the ground will get spongy like. It will block nutrients from getting down into it. You'll have disease problems. It just gets so thick and you get so much debris. It doesn't matter if you're bagging your clippings, you're still gonna have this problem. So verticutting Zoysia is a must. Here's what I've got right now. Now this green part, this is fescue. And the reason why I've got 2 different grasses is because of the way that the sun sets on this during the summer. I have a majority of shade in these areas, and that is the only type of grass that's going to grow there. But in these areas, this is Zoysia coming in. It's coming out of dormancy. This is an area I plugged last year, and it's coming in. Again, I know that the shadows right now, early spring, is not giving you a good idea of what I did out here today. But I did 2 different patterns with the verticutter. Pulled a ton of stuff up. Then I picked it up with the rotary mower, going 3 different ways to make sure I pulled all this out. And that's it. I'm not gonna do a whole lot back here in this backyard because this is where my dog plays. The neighbor dog comes over here and plays. You know, if we have company over, we may come out here and enjoy it. But I don't put a whole lot of money out here because between my front and backyard, I could go broke. There's the monster right there. But anyways, that's it. So backyard Zoysia update, second video of the day, ending it with a little Australia. And that's all. Bermuda Brian, out.